Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Lovely to have you here. So today's episode, I tried to do a viewer request, but it backfired. But before we get on to that, please just do what this little icon says here. Subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. It means the world to me. So, Floppy Fred, one of my die-hard viewers, asked me to go out and sample Patak's chicken tikka masala microwave curry. Unfortunately, try as I might, I haven't been able to find it, but I've got a good substitute, Fred, and hopefully you haven't tried this one, and we'll see how it is together. Let's have a look. So we have a Sharwoods chicken tikka masala with rice, microwave meal, pieces of chicken breast with onions and a mildly spiced sauce with herbs served with long grain turmeric rice. So each 375ml contains 455 calories, 9.2 grams of fat, 2.9 saturates, sugars 12%, salt 1.93 grams. So that is all in the good zone, really. That looks like quite a healthy, nutritious meal. We'll see if it looks anything like the photo says here. It says 8.5 minutes. Let's just have a look at the packet here. Cooking instructions: cook from frozen, remove out of packaging for best results and microwave. All appliances vary, these are guidelines only. Take care of removing film lid as hot steam may escape. Now, Floppy Fred told me, he said if you get the chicken tikka masala, he says when it comes time to stir the rice and the curry halfway through, he says do not peel back and stir, just give it a shake, and that way your rice will stay nice and moist. So that's what we're going to try and do today. Let's go back to the packet here. So yeah, in the microwave, pierce film lids several places, place on the microwavable plate, cook on full power for 5 minutes, peel back film lids, stir rice and sauce separately, recover and cook for another 3 minutes. But again, we're not going to be doing any peeling, we're going to be shaking. Leave to stand for 1 minute, stir and serve. Check that food is piping hot before serving. Cook in the oven, obviously it doesn't recommend cooking in the oven. There's your ingredients, if you want to pause and have a good look through there. And again, there's your nutritional information. So, let's just whip this open and see what it looks like, shall we? Okay, there we have it. Doesn't look too bad actually, looking at it there. Nice basmati rice there, got a bit of turmeric in there. Already see a nice bit of chicken lurking there as well. So we're going to get this in the microwave, and at the 5 minute point we're just going to give it a little shake like that, and see how it comes out. But of course we will stab the film lid a couple of times first. So we'll see you back here once this is cooked. So ladies and gents, it is now time to shake the curry, and then I've turned around and I've seen this. I'm a little bit scared. Please help me, viewers. Right, let's shake this curry. Kel, you're going to be on YouTube. What have you got to say to my subscribers?
Unsubscribe.
There we go. This is after 5 minutes, and Fred said shake. So we're shaking. Is that enough shaking, Fred? You'll have to let me know in the comments, mate. Right, back in for 3 minutes. Hello there then, folks. We are back at ground zero. We've done it exactly the way you said, mate. We've shaken it, not peeled and stirred. So let's do the grand reveal together. Look, that film's come off lovely. That is a very promising start, ladies and gents. Now we're just going to literally scrape this out onto the plate, like so. Right, now what we need to try and do is manipulate this on top, because we do want to see if it looks anything like what it says in the packet, you know. I know I haven't done a great job there, but So there we go, that's what we're paying for, ladies and gents. Look at that lovely illustration. And then this is what we've got. Are you ready? Wow, I can hardly tell the difference. I don't know about you. That looks absolutely lovely, doesn't it? Right. So it smells nice anyway. Let's turn the... Right, there we go. So Fred, I've done this all your way, mate. I'm sorry it's not Patak's, but when Patak's turns up, we will do Patak's, I can assure you of that. Another little look at it, look. Right, let's give it a go. I'm expecting good things for this. This was £1.50 for this meal. That's exactly like if you went and got your chicken breast strips and you went and got your Sharwoods chicken tikka sauce and made a curry. That's really very nice. Fred, I must say, mate, that rice has maintained its moisture perfectly. So I mean, £1.50. A big greedy chap like me, I'll probably have 2 of them with a couple of slices of bread and butter, and that would be my dinner after a hard day's work. If you're just having a quick little snack, then that's absolutely perfect. You've got some nice sized bits of chicken in there. There's a bit there, look. Quite reasonable, nice strips of chicken. Well, it's quite a big spoon, and I've got quite a big mouth. Pipe or not, look, you can see. So I got mugged today, ladies and gentlemen. I paid £20 to take 4 people pumpkin picking. Yeah, I bought tickets for pumpkin picking. I've rolled up. I've said, how many pumpkins do we get with the ticket then? They said none. You got to buy the tickets on top, £5 each. So it cost me £30 to get 2 pumpkins and go and stand in the field today. So I've been mugged, but there we go. Kids enjoyed it. Look at that, look. That rice is perfect, chicken's perfect. Gorgeous. Highly recommended. Beautiful sauce, beautiful rice. Don't peel back and stir halfway through, just give it a shake like Floppy Fred told me. You're on to a winner, ladies and gents. What would be nice would be maybe a couple of poppadoms with this, little naan breads. You can get the microwavable naan bread packs of 4 for about 60p, something like that. So yeah, absolutely lovely. I have got as well, I showed you these the other night, so I'm not going to show you them, but I've done myself a couple of those spring rolls. So I'm going to have a couple of them with this. Anyway, that's it for this video, folks. Thank you very much indeed for tuning in. That has been the Patak's, no, not Patak, Sharwoods. And my wife's just laughing at herself away here over here. You right, darling?
Yeah.
There we have it, folks. It's our Sharwoods chicken tikka masala. Thanks for watching and joining on the next episode. Cheerio.